Hey guys, Tristen Gosselin here, and we're back with another property tour. Today we are out in a neighborhood called Versalles. We're actually in an area called Díaz Ordaz, but no one really calls it that. Everyone kind of just refers to the area as Versalles. So we're kind of right between Cinco de Diciembre and the hotel zone, but we're not right along the beach. We're maybe about a 5-minute walk to the beach. So we're a couple minutes inland. This is a great up-and-coming neighborhood. It has lots of things to make this area very walkable. So you don't need a car to be here. Obviously, if you want to get to the other areas of PV, you can take an Uber, or you can have a car and drive if you like. But you can go to the restaurants, you can go to the bars. There's even the international school just a couple blocks away. There's a hospital as well. There's a mall. There's a movie theater. You're actually very close to the Costco and the La Comer that are here. So it has everything you need. Now, details of the house is it's a 4-bedroom, 4-bathroom plus flex. It's very large. It's just under 5,400 square feet, and it just had a massive price reduction. It was at $1.09 million, and now it's just been lowered to $999,000. So just under $1 million, and you can have a gorgeous, huge house in Versalles, which is a great area. The house has also been recently renovated. They fully remodeled it. The kitchen's brand new. The appliances are brand new. So let's go take a look at the unit and you guys can see for yourselves. Okay guys, so here is the house on the corner. You can see it's very well protected from everything. You have the front gate there, and then over around on this side, you actually have the entrance to the garage. So I'll quickly show you that. But this is where you will enter for your garage, right there. But if you're just walking in, it'll be from this side, right here. So gated entrance, that way you can still have your outdoor space while still having security. And obviously you have your outdoor pool patio area. You have a little grill over there. Let's wrap around here to give you every angle. That'll be kind of the main living area in there. So it's nice that you're out here looking out over your pool. Little grassy area. So good little setup in case you want some outdoor space while still being in the privacy of your own home. It's not like you're in a condo. And obviously this table and stuff won't be there. That's just set up for open houses and stuff. So right off the start, on the right-hand side, you have the guest bathroom as well as the flex room. So we'll head into the flex room first. You can set this up however you like. It can be an office, it can be a bedroom or a guest bedroom, media room, whatever you need. It does have a window, but you look out over into the garage here. So hopefully you have some nice cars, because then you can have a great view of your car. This door is the bathroom. So it has 2 entrances to the bathroom. That way, if you do want it as a guest bedroom, you can have the ensuite. But if you don't, then it's just another entrance into this bathroom here. Nothing too crazy. It is a full bathroom, so you still have a shower and everything, but not the biggest one in the world. And as we head back over here, upstairs, you'll get to most of the bedrooms and one extra flex space. It's not really a room, but you could do with it whatever you please. Over here, kind of the main living area, and then dining room over here. Again, you can set it up however you like, but that's kind of just how I would assume. And then kitchen right here. So as you can see, everything was very well remodeled. Everything looks super nice in here. Brand new appliances. You have everything you need. It has the fridge, it has the oven, microwave, dishwasher over on this side. It does have a garbage disposal as well, double sink, and then the gas stove here as well. And it does have a real hood vent because for some reason that's not super popular here. Lots of storage everywhere. So you have this nice see-through glass with the lighting in it in case you want to display maybe any nice bottles of alcohol or different types of glassware that you might have, or different decorations. And then again, this whole wall is all storage on this side and underneath. So storage everywhere. You have lots of room for everything. You're never going to have a shortage. And then on top of that, over here, you have another pantry or closet, whatever you need. So lots of extra space to store things in here as well. And right outside of this is the garage. So we'll quickly jump out here and show you. This is what we saw from the outside. You do have enough room for probably 2 cars, maybe even 3 if you wanted to squeeze one up there. Obviously, you have less room to have a backyard patio if you put 3 in here, but it does have that extra space if you need it. Another nice little garden out here. You can do whatever you want. You can make it a grassy area, and if you have a dog, you can put like the little dog station there. That way you don't have to take them outside of your house. And we'll walk back around here. All right, and then, like I said, this would probably be your dining room area with the views to your backyard here. Give you all the angles of everything. And then this would be probably the main living area. Maybe your TV set up here. Little sneak peek preview. Up there is the other flex space that I was talking about. It's not walled in, but you could have another media room up there, kids room, lots of different options. And then this is the view from the main living area out to your front courtyard there. And then up there is all the bedrooms. So let's go take a look at the bedrooms now. Large frosted window for privacy, but lets in a lot of light. That way it opens up the space. Over there, continues up into the bedrooms. This is that extra little flex area. So lots of different options you can use for this. Kids room, dog area, another media room, office. I would probably do office up here because it has a bit better view from the flex downstairs. And if you look down, you can see the front pool area as well. But now let's head over to the bedrooms. So we have 3 bedrooms on this level. You'll likely use this one as the primary, as it's the biggest and has the biggest closet. And then these 2 are also a great size, but we'll get into those in just a second. So let's check out the primary. Here we go. Now, it's a little darker in here right now, but that's because they have this tint on the front windows here. So depending whether you like extra darkness to help you sleep, or if you like the sun, you can take that tint off. Obviously, when you open this up, you'll notice how much brighter it is. So I'll give you a sneak peek of your front patio here. It's not huge out here, but you have enough room. You can set up some chairs, a lounger or something, and this can be super nice for just reading and relaxing, having your own space. You look out over your front area, the pool there. So I'll close this back up, and again, you can see it gets much darker when that's all closed. So easier for sleeping. Again, set it up however you like. Over in here, we have the washroom. You have giant full wall mirror here. You have the double vanity, extra storage underneath. You have a double shower, and then the toilet over there, and the closet. And full walk-in closet, lots of space. So got everything on both sides, hanging, shelving, drawers, whatever you need. Couple windows, and then even some on this back wall here. So if you have a lot of clothes, and also lots of storage up top as well. So if you have a lot of clothes, great closet for you. I don't think you can have too many clothes to fill that out. Well, actually I won't say I don't think. I know some people are crazy about their clothes. All right, and then this is another one of the bedrooms. So this one is a bit bigger, but it doesn't have a walk-in closet. Instead of a walk-in closet, it has this fully built-in shelving unit here. So of course you have room for a TV as well if you wanted to put it there. And then all of this opens up and it's great storage, full hanging and shelving there. And then The other side is the same. This is the view. And I'll try and give you every angle here. I love the nice high ceilings as well. Just adds to the extra size of this place, makes it feel like you're not cramped at all. Another huge mirror, just one sink in this one, and then the shower over here. So continuing on, we'll head into the third bedroom on this floor. There's one more on the top floor. This third bedroom is a bit smaller than the one we were in, but the closet is a walk-in closet. So instead of wasting the space of the room on closet and built-in shelving, they have all the room you need. So you could even fit a king-size bed in here if you need. And then in the bathroom here, the bathroom's larger. You have the mirror, the sink, the shower, and all that stuff. And then your closet over here. Again, very similar to the last bedroom. You can open them up, you got your hanging room and all that stuff. So a little trade-off, bigger closet, bigger bathroom, but a bit smaller of a room. And then the view for this one, nothing crazy. It's nice that you have the lighting from outside, but this is where the washer dryer setup would probably be. I'll give you a quick little look out there. And we'll just quickly look down from up here. That is the main living area. And we will continue on. So up here is the third and final level. The only thing up there is one more bedroom. So we'll go take a look at that in a second, but I'll just show you this little outdoor area. So again, probably where you'll set up your washer dryer. And you can hang your clothes out here. Just another extra space. And you can look down into your backyard area over there. So let's go upstairs and we'll take a look at the final bedroom. Again, great use of the windows, lots of natural light up here. This is like a little maintenance area. It's kind of where your AC units are, your gas and all that stuff. You could even set up some more solar panels out here. That way it helps pay for the electricity. And then the only other thing up here is the fourth bedroom. So another great sized room, walk-in closet and bathroom. And we'll quickly show you this. And then the best part about this room is the massive patio. So obviously shower, toilet, sink, everything you need. Nice windows as well. And then your walk-in closet. Good storage on both sides. Little window for some natural light as well. And then the best part about this room, this massive patio. So all the room you could need out here. And then some great views of the neighborhood as well. Okay guys, that's everything you need to see for this property. If you have any questions, please feel free to reach out to me on WhatsApp. It's the fastest way to get a hold of me. If not, the rest of my details are in the description below if you prefer email and stuff like that. I would love to help schedule a showing for you guys, whether it be this property or any other ones. So if you have any questions about real estate anywhere in the Bay, please reach out to me. If you like the video, like, share, and subscribe, and we will see you in the next one.